Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Logitech M720 doesn't work even though it's properly connected. So as you can see right here, my mouse works properly. Now I'm gonna make it so that it doesn't work. As you can see, it doesn't work. The mouse is on and it's properly connected. Now to actually fix this, we'll need to take a look right here on the profiles, and there's 3 of them. If you click on the button underneath, it will switch between those profiles. In this case, we're in the first one, it doesn't work. We need to switch to the second one, it doesn't work. And when I go for the third profile, it starts to work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.